Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Instaproofs booking calendar with your Google Calendar. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and click on Booking, then we're going to go into Preferences. Then we're going to scroll to the bottom of the Preferences where you can see this option to connect to Google Calendar. I'll click the option here, select the account that I want to connect with it, give the different permissions that I want to give to it. Now it's important that you give all the different permissions, so make sure you do that. Click on each of these boxes, click continue, and then it says here update success. Your calendar is now linked to your Instaproofs account. That's really as easy as it is. So now what happens is when someone books a session with you, so let's go ahead, we'll go into one of these sessions and I'll pretend that I'm one of my clients. I'll reserve this and set it to $0 so I can do a quick test here. I'll fill in all my information, answer some questions from a questionnaire that's on here. We'll sign the contract that I have attached. And then I'm going to confirm the booking by clicking the final confirm button. This is for November 9th at 11:45. If I hop over to my calendar, you can see here that it was just added. November 9th at 11:45. It's got my information here. This is my Google Calendar that it's just automatically added that to. Now I'm going to go back in as the photographer. You can see it's been booked. If I want to move this, let's go ahead and move it. I'm going to move it to the 105 position. Save it there, watch our calendar, and you can see it bumped down. Now it's at the 105 position. If we decide we need to cancel this, we can go ahead and cancel it. We'll watch our calendar again, and there it goes. And that's as easy as it is. You can connect your account through the booking preferences page, and then every session that's booked will automatically be added to your Google Calendar. If you have any questions, just let us know.